Hey guys, Dell here today. I am doing a quick unbagging of an Ironheart N1 deck jacket that I thrifted on eBay. So this is a thrifted unboxing, not a new unboxing. But nonetheless, I'm still quite excited for this jacket. I'm amazed that they fit it into this small package. Kind of wish they hadn't, but that's the nature of thrifted. Sometimes things are just squeezed in. Hopefully the jacket isn't damaged at all when I get it out of there. Oh man, a little peeking through. Whoop. Someone had mentioned they thought that this N1, which is black, comes across as kind of with a green undertone. And, you know, I can kind of see that now that I am seeing it. All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like. It is a jacket, ladies and gentlemen. It is a jacket. They rolled the cuffs up, I guess, for their use. I wonder if they washed this bad boy without telling me. So this jacket has these storm cuffs, which you can see hidden here, along with buttons on the wrists, buttons all up the front, and a zip underneath. Heavy duty. I love this paperclip zip. Let's get this fella open. Oh, it's a two-way zip. Oh, that's the first time I realized that. The more you know. Ah. Cozy city. All right, so kind of a brown lining and a black jacket with a mild green tone. Let's see what it looks like worn. All right, so about to try this jacket on. This is how it looks right out of the bag, not the box. And it's gonna have to be, maybe I'll get a roller or something to clean it off a bit. It's got a little bit of fuzzies and all that. To go over quickly the features, so it has this really cozy interior lining. And the sleeves have a quilted lining, pretty sweet. They have storm cuffs, keep the warmth in. And this button adjustment on the back, I wonder how many people ever actually use that. It seems doubtful. And obviously this really burly 14-ounce whipcord as the shell. This flap button here, again, I wonder how much that actually gets used. Obviously the warm collar, being able to pull that up, that's a very practical feature. It's a built-in scarf, basically, is the way to think of that. And let's give it a go. Let's put this jacket on. This is a medium, and I got some sizing advice to take a medium in this jacket from someone I trust. And so let's hope their advice is good. Okay, getting these sleeves in. Now, I would obviously not be normally wearing, I don't know, this color combo isn't one I normally go for, but it's an unboxing video. It's off the cuff. So I'm wearing a lot of blue with this black jacket. And gotta say, fit feels good. Also have to say it feels too warm. It's actually quite warm here right now. It's in the 70s. This is not a jacket to wear for 70-degree temps. It's like 75 or something like that right now. Let's check out the zipped up situation. And we'll button some, but not all of them. I have an A2 deck jacket, which I did a review of, and I really like it. It's a kind of more fly under the radar, kind of elegant, everyday wear jacket. It's not as warm as the N1 though. A little less robust. Oh, I am toasting up. All in all, this is a very comfortable jacket. Very practical feeling. And I'm in a place where it's colder now, so I think that this will do really nicely. And I can wear it with a light sweater or flannel or whatever if I wanted to. But at a medium, I don't have a huge amount of space for layers in it, but it feels great for a slim fit. And man, really happy I found this thrifted piece. Any questions you have about this jacket, I'll be wearing it more and doing a full review on it. Hit me up in the comments. I'll look into it and keep an eye on those things as I'm wearing it and forming my opinion. And as always, have an awesome day.